Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for today that'll show you how to get started with email marketing, and the software that we're going to use to do so is called GetResponse. And once you're done watching the video, if you click the link in the description down below for this video, you'll get taken to your very own free trial version of GetResponse that'll allow you to utilize the whole platform for completely free and see what it's all about. Like I said though, after you've watched the video of course, and it's got a very extensive range of features, and we've got specific tutorials for all of those features on the channel, so check them out if you want to learn about them all individually. And you can see that when you're logged in, and this is the main dashboard that you'll see when you first sign into the site, from the tools drop down menu here you've got an extensive range of things that you've got, and it's kind of based around the kind of premise all of email marketing. And if you've ever used Canva, the way I describe it is that it's similar to Canva but specifically for sending groups of emails to people. So it uses a system called like contacts on lists, and when you go to your contacts option at the top here, you'd need to create a list of people and then add contacts to that list. So all you need is their name and their email. You can import from various places and things like that, but you'd need to establish a list of people before you get started. And then if I go back to my dashboard, you can see that I'll just make a simple newsletter for this example. You can give it a title at the top. You're able to register an account with or register multiple emails to your account in GetResponse. So if you've got multiple websites or businesses or different emails associated with a business, you can choose to send your email from send your message from one of those emails. And if you want people to respond to the message directly, you can choose on those two drop downs there where that response gets sent to. So this line here will allow you to choose what appears in your recipient's inbox when that message first appears. So you can put something smart in there that makes it doesn't make it look like spam. And then add recipients here will allow you to then select one of your pre-made lists of people to send your message to. I'm just going to send it to myself for the purposes of this tutorial. And then design message then will allow you to, like I said, open the template-based system, which is the part that reminds me of Canva, to design the actual message. So you can see there's a huge range of templates available, categories on the top left there. And this will allow you to browse them all and find something that closely resembles what you want. You can preview them, and then once you've found one, you can hit use template, and that'll then take you through to the template editor where you can replace images, replace text, decide what these buttons do and link them to your website, and kind of link up your social media pages to these little icons down the bottom here as well. And yeah, very simple, very intuitive, very easy to use. It just looks like a mobile phone app really. And once you're happy with your message and the way it looks, if you hit next in the top right hand corner, then we get taken back to this page, and then you can decide to send that message immediately or schedule it for later on. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Obviously there's some more higher end stuff within GetResponse. I'll just show you very quickly the automation workflow window, which is the kind of next step then if you wanted to create a more complicated chain of emails or sequence of events when a process is engaged. Then it's got this kind of modular node-based system which you can use to kind of sequence a chain of events and decide if a link is clicked and this happens, then that happens, and if they don't click the link then this happens, and so on and so forth. Okay, so it's got a bigger range of features than just sending a template-based newsletter. So check it out. And like I said, just before I end the video, I'd like to mention that I've left a link in the description below for a software that can rank your website instantly by using videos. So this might be very interesting to the viewer who's looking for more traffic and sales to their website. So make sure to check it out if that is something that you need. And that concludes the video. So if you've enjoyed and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below as well. Thank you very much.